Yo guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can actually get yourself a legendary pet for free in Bubblegum Simulator Infinite. Okay, this game is released and you can actually get yourself these legendary pets completely for free, and I'll be actually telling you how you can actually get one. But first, if you do want a legendary pet from the shop, okay, from the shop, you cannot actually get them for free by yourself, but you can actually get them for free with a little bit of help from your friend. And I also give these away. So if you comment down below Bubblegum Simulator Infinity, you can actually get yourself this pet. I'll be choosing a couple winners in the comments down below, and I'll be sending you these pets so you can actually enjoy the game way more. Make sure you guys actually like the video and subscribe if you want to be eligible. But first, you can actually get yourself the legendary lunar deity. This is the pet that you can actually get for free by doing all the quests. Do all the quests, all the challenges, do all of these challenges, and you can actually get the legendary lunar pet. And the next pet is going to be at every single one of these islands. Every single one of these islands will give you a crazy pet like this one, the Umbra. The Umbra, you can actually get it by spinning the wheel, and you can spin the wheel every 50 minutes. Every 50 minutes you can actually play the... You can actually spin the wheel and you'll be able to get yourself the legendary pet just like that, completely for free. Like the video guys, subscribe,